And the bird flu outbreak in India continues to spread across more states in the country. Avian influenza has been confirmed in the national capital Delhi and in Mumbai. In Delhi, 8 samples taken from dead birds have tested positive. Remember, crows and ducks were found dead at various parks of Delhi over the past few days. Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray met officials over the bird flu scare along with Animal Husbandry Minister Sunil Kedar. The Maharashtra government will start culling operations of poultry today and around 1,800 chickens will be culled. The government will also start a helpline number for bird flu related information. Prime Minister Modi in his virtual address to states yesterday highlighted the ongoing issue of bird flu and asked state governments to send bird samples to labs for further investigation.
Maharashtra, after which the Maharashtra government has taken a decision of exterminating 80,000 birds in 10 to 12 poultries of Maharashtra state. The state has issued an advisory to all the local bodies to intimate as soon as a dead bird is reported from their area. Most of the cases which have come forward are in crows and other birds and not in chickens, which is in consumption. Though there are scientific studies which are saying that boiled chicken can be consumed, the clear guideline and the scientific approach on this is yet to come. But at the same point of time, the poultry business farmers are suffering losses. The prices of chicken are going down. The state, as per centre's guidelines, will be compensating those poultry farmers whose poultry will be exterminated under this guidelines. With camera person Mangesh Ambre, Mustafa Sheikh in Mumbai for India Today.
हमें सभी राज्यों स्थानीय प्रशासन को वाटर बॉडीज के आसपास पक्षी बाजारों में, जू में, पोल्ट्री फार्म इत्यादि पर निरंतर निगरानी रखनी है ताकि पक्षियों के बीमार होने की जानकारी प्राथमिकता पर मिले। बर्ड फ्लू की जांच के लिए जो लेबोरेटरीज हैं वहां समय पर सैंपल भेजने सही स्थिति का जल्दी पता लगेगा और स्थानीय प्रशासन भी उतनी ही तेजी से कार्रवाई कर पाएगा। बर्ड फ्लू को लेकर लोगों में अफवाहें न फैलें, इसे भी हमें देखना होगा। मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि हमारे एकजुट प्रयास हर चुनौती से देश को बाहर निकालेगा।
So for those who eat chicken and poultry, let's understand how safe it is to eat chicken and eggs as bird flu grips 10 states and looks like it's spreading. The WHO says that it is safe to eat chicken if it is cooked properly. Avoid eating runny eggs. Make sure they are cooked completely, like a hard-boiled egg. The virus is heat sensitive. The virus is neutralized above 70 degrees Celsius, which is lower than the cooking temperature. Washing hands after handling poultry is an absolute must. So those are the things you need to remember now.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.